Hi everyone, so today I am going to be packing with you a shoebox for a boy 10 to 14 years old. These shoeboxes, plastic boxes that I found are from Bella. I don't know if you can see that logo or not. You can get these at the dollar store, and I actually really like these because they're very nice and sturdy. They don't bend, and you can get them for $1. So I feel like these shoeboxes are very, very well made for only being $1. We'll start with the biggest thing and then go on to fun and like so forth. Okay, so the biggest thing he gets is he gets a Camelback water bottle. This was actually, I actually got this for free. It is a sports bottle, a full-size sports bottle. I use one of these like almost every day, and it is very, very nice. So I wanted to, since we had an extra one, I wanted to put it in a shoebox. Whoa. Okay, next we have this cute little pony. And horses are just so nice. This one's really, really soft. And it is black and white. So he is going to get a little pony, a little horsey. Then he gets a light up spike ball. I'm sure that you've seen me pack these before. I really like these. They're fun, they bounce. You can play with them at night. You can play catch. These are just fun. I really like these. The next thing that I found that I think is kind of cool is this Tumbling tower game. It's like a little mini Jenga game. It's my like absolute favorite game, but there's no way you're getting a full-size Jenga set in a shoebox. So I have this little mini Tumbling tower. And then some little toys. We have this little blue Hot Wheels car. I think it's very nice. I also really love Hot Wheels cars. So a blue Hot Wheels car. He gets a bouncy ball. And he gets a little maze game. I like to use these for like fidgeting. I like to play with them. So I thought he would like a little maze game. Okay, so next for school supplies. He gets a big set of pencils, some pens, a bunch of erasers. Always important to put some of those in there. He gets a blue bendy ruler because if you ever packed a shoebox, you know how difficult it is to include a ruler. But this one folds up really, really nicely, and this one has inches and centimeters, so that is going in there. He gets a pencil sharpener, an eraser. He gets some scissors. He gets an inflatable globe. I thought this was a good idea. I actually have it marked on here where I am from. So you can learn about the world and see where his shoebox came from. He gets a notebook. This is 120. I kind of like these notebooks because they are smaller. They fit a lot easier in the boxes. He gets a coloring book and a whole pack of Crayola colored pencils. Then for hygiene, he is getting a toothbrush. He's getting a bar of soap. He gets some deodorant, a washcloth, a comb, and lastly, some Band-Aids. A handwritten note from me in here, and I will include a photo later. So, handwritten note. So this is everything for my boy's shoebox, age 10 to 14. It's all packed up and ready to go. So as always, I will list the total cost of the box in US dollars, British pounds, Australian, and Canadian. So check the description box if you are interested in seeing that. If you like watching shoebox videos, be sure you check the playlist. That is where all of my Operation Christmas Child boxes live. Be sure and give this video a like and subscribe to not miss any of my annual shoebox videos. But that is all we have for now, so I will see you next time. Bye!